number 6 is quite a little cute card, and I've just used the wreaths in a very different way. So both 6 and 7 are done on the little note cards that come from Stampin' Up, and I've cut these layers accordingly. So let's get some wreaths, and I'm going to stamp them so that they're coming off the edge of the card, and so that I don't have too much open space at the edges. Decide which way up I want it. I think I want it like that. Now let me just show you a little tip for wrapping the cord around like I've done there. So on the bottom edge, I'm just going to put 2 strips of double-sided tape on the back, and I'm going to use those to hold my cord in place. So here we go. So starting at the back, so I'm at the back at the top, as it were, going down, and then across the middle, down to the bottom, so that then I can go across to the top, and just make sure that it's well stuck in place. And what you can do is just trim that, put an extra piece of double-sided tape on the back to hold everything together, and then I'm just going to tie a knot. And then the Merry Christmas is just done on a banner with a little bit of gold poking out from underneath. So what I do is make sure I've got it the right way up. Merry Christmas. That's nice. And I'll just add a touch of berries there, just to add some interest, and put a piece of tape all the way along the bottom, and I'm going really near to the edge because I've only got a tiny bit of gold, and I want as much of it to be showing as possible. So just I'll put it on like that, and then I can trim each end. 1, 2, and there we are. Put some double-sided tape on the other side. I think I'll just put a little bit of the wreath on the inside. There we are. And then just stick it all down, like so. So there's the finished card.